Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I'm NAJWA FARHANA. Welcome to our first Felix channel. Today we will discover a bit about maps of human body. But first we need to know the regions of human body. At anterior position, cephalic region, cervical region, thoracic region, acromial region, axillary region, brachial region, antebrachial region, carpal region, manus region, and abdominal region. Next, femoral region, patellar region, crural region, peroneal region, pedal region, tarsal region, and hallux region. At posterior position, nuchal region, olecranon region, gluteal region, lumbar region, popliteal region, and sural region.
I will explain about abdominopelvic regions. First, we have 9 regions and 4 quadrants. We have right hypochondriac, epigastric, left hypochondriac, right lumbar, umbilical, left lumbar, right iliac, hypogastric, and left iliac. For quadrant, we have right upper quadrant, right lobe of liver, gallbladder, right kidney. Left upper quadrant, left lobe of liver, stomach, and pancreas. Right lower quadrant, cecum, appendix, portion of small and large intestine. Left lower quadrant, most of small intestine, portion of large intestine.
Hi, my name is MUHAMAD SHAFIE and my metric number is 061016. I plan to say a few words about anatomical direction. Okay, for the first term is the anterior that refer to the front of the body while posterior refer to the back. Ventral describe the belly side which is equivalent to anterior when referring to human body, and dorsal describe the back which is equivalent to posterior when referring to human body. And the cranial refer to the head while caudal refer to the tail or coccyx in human. Superior describe what is above something and inferior describe what is below it. Medial describes structure close to the midline and lateral describes something to the side of the structure. Proximal refer to the structure that toward an attached base, and distal refer to the structure that away from an attached base. Superficial describes something near the outer surface of the organism, while deep describes something further away from the surface of the organism. Intermediate refer to a structure between two structures. Ipsilateral refer to a structure that on the same side of the body, and contralateral refer to a structure on the opposite side of the body.
Now I will explain about cutting plane or section. We have 3 types. Sagittal plane separate right and left portion. Transverse plane separate superior and inferior portion. Frontal plane separates anterior and posterior portion. So the motion need for sagittal is forward or backward. Transverse is rotational in nature. Coronal is sideways.
The last part is the body cavities. Body cavities are spaces within the body that help protect, separate, and support internal organs. So, the first example of body cavity is cranial cavity, which is the space within the skull. Next is the vertebral cavity, which contains spinal cord and the beginning of spinal nerve. Pleural cavity is a fluid-filled space surrounding the lungs. The fluid is called pleural fluid. Meanwhile, pericardial cavity contains pericardial fluid that surrounds the heart. Mediastinum, located at the central portion of thoracic cavity between the lungs and extends from the sternum to vertebra. Abdominal cavity is a large cavity that contains stomach, spleen, liver, small and large intestines. And lastly, the pelvic cavity, which contains urinary bladder, portions of large intestine, and internal organs of reproduction. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.